Hello everyone, this is me Satya and I'm doing your mid-monthly for the month of February 2019. This is going to be for the sign of my fishies, Pisces. So hello my fishies. This reading is for the second half of the month of February 2019, starting from the 15th through 28th of Feb. So let's see what's coming up for the fishies for the second half of the month. Be mindful of the fact that it is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So pick whatever resonates and leave the rest. For those of you who are willing to get a personal reading, reach out to me for that. All the personal readings are done within 24 hours of the time you send me the proof of the payment being done. So yeah. If you have not followed me on Instagram, you can do that because I do daily readings there. So you can also check out the weekend reading that I uploaded yesterday to check what's coming up for you for the weekend time in your love life, because that's a love reading for the weekend. So yep, let's see what's coming up for Pisceans for the second half of Feb 2019. I will pull one card from the Romancer Oracle cards and two cards from the Rider-Waite deck, two cards from the play card. So let's begin. Ta-da! I just uploaded Scorpion's reading, and for those of you who are connected with the Scorpion, they can check out the reading I uploaded for them to find out more, because I know many Pisceans who are connected with the Scorpion. So yeah, do check their reading. And I know for many Pisceans who are with the Scorpion, they have been staying stuck because of the Scorpion energy, and it could be vice versa for some of you, because these are general readings, but most of my clients also are facing the same thing when it comes to their love life, being Pisceans who are with Scorpions. I will not include this card because I could not see the card, but ta-da! Queen of Wands it was. So let's get into the reading. Let's see what's coming up for Pisceans for the second half of the month. What's coming up from the fishies? One, two. Let's pick a card from the play cards. I love this deck of mine. It's cute. I'll show you. So girly. So yeah, let's begin the reading. I will start with the Romancer Oracle cards here. So let's see what's coming up for Pisceans for the second half of the month. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal from the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Ta-da! Even when I did the weekend reading for the Pisceans, almost the same thing came up. There are certain things that you need to decide upon before you could get what you want, because there has been, delays happening for, like I mentioned, for some of you, the delay is because of the other person that you are dealing with. For others of you, it's because of your inner fears about yourself, about you feeling that I don't worth it, or you having the lack of that, whatever that you desire from the universe, desire from the person that you, it's more like you have to find the happiness within you to get it from the outside source. So that's what you need to, that is something that you need to understand before you could get what you want. I would definitely recommend people like, who are having issues of, having delays in receiving love offers that they are, hoping and wishing for. You need to stop waiting on for those love offers. I'm not asking you to forget this person or forget that person. If you can stay positive, then you are free to think of them 24/7. But if you feel, slightest lack of their, their presence in your life, then you need to stop there. You know, that's the only thing which is basically stopping you, and you are unaware of that. So stop doing the things that you have been doing, change things, and you will see the different outcome this time around. So be mindful of that. So with this card here, forgiving and learning, stop doing the things that you have been doing in the past. Be that with your ex, be that with somebody new, be that with your own self. If you have been having doubts about yourself, you need to get done with those doubts and heal from whatever that has been, you know, the cause of the pain that you had in the past. You need to let go of everything that is not serving you anything good in your life, because until and unless you don't heal from your past, you cannot have anything good in your life. And you really need to, I know it's very hard for a Piscean to understand that, being the, you know, the sensitive being they are, but you have to go through that, you know, that phase where you are healed. Because if you are not healed from your past, you will not be able to get what you want. And I can understand one thing here, that, you know, it's not, you know, me telling you 100 times, you will not do it until and unless you are willing to bring that change in your life. So it's more like, you know, for some of you, the universe does and will, you know, intervene in the situation with this, you know, with these angels up there. Can you see that? I do pick up that energy very strongly. For some of you, the angels will, you know, just intervene in the situation, and they will make things easy for you. They might, you know, make you meet new people, which will kind of, you know, help you to get the ex of yours out of your mind for some time. Or they might, you know, help you know that your self-worth needs to be, you know, up there before you could attract the right person in your life, or before you could get the ex back in your life. It's more like, you know, you have to value yourself more than anything. You have to heal yourself from that pain, hurt that you have been going through in the past years, or in the past months, or in the past weeks, to get what you want. You need to be in a state of happiness before you could attract more happiness into your life. So be mindful of that. And let's see what the Rider-Waite card had to say. The Hangman. I think that card came up in your weekend reading as well. In our weekend reading as well. There we go. Whatever the delay has been, once you have a clear picture of what your future looks like, how would you feel like when you have, you know, when you are living the life of your, you know, dreams. If you could get that picture very clearly, you know, the clearer the picture you have in your mind, the clearer or the sooner it will come in your life. And that's something, you know, you call it law of attraction, you call it manifestation, you call it whatever you want to call it, but that's how the universe works. You cannot change how it, you know, how it works. You cannot change the universal laws. So you need to understand that. And once you understand that, you can make things work, or make these laws work for you in your favor. We are using these laws unintentionally. If you use it with intentions, you would get what you want. So I would definitely suggest here, for those of you who are, you know, waiting on for the love offers, and like I said, it's more of the inner work that you need to do before you could have what you want. For some of you, I know they will say, like, you know, I've been doing the work, I've been, you know, healing myself from the past hurt and stuff like that. But it's, in actuality, if you go deep down inside your heart, you will know that there is something that you are still missing doing, and which would be enjoying your life the way it is right now. You know, if you love yourself, if you enjoy being the way you are right now, you would attract your ex back, or you would attract the lover that you desire. Because it's more like it's more like, you know, if I am if we go about it in a you know, in a law of attraction way, if we think of it as a quantum physics or stuff like that, it's like we all are one, right? And if I'm feeling, it's more like, you know, we are mirroring what's inside us. So whatever your reality is right now is more of what you are from deep within. If you are having the delays are happening because you somehow deep down inside your heart feels that, you know, you are not yet ready to be with that person. You are not yet healed from the hurt. You are not yet reached to the point where you could see this person from a perspective, like, you know, if you're still hurt with what they have done to you in the past, it's because you are still there somehow in the past. You need to come out of that, you know, past pains to get the change that you desire to see in your ex. For example, if you are willing to you know, get a communication happening between the two of you, I would suggest, I did mention, I did ask many people in my previous reading that I did mention to go for 21 days no communication thing, and those who did it, they got the results. And I got the emails, I got the, you know, even in the comment section you can check, many people got what they wanted. So you need to try a different way to get a different result. You cannot get a different result trying the same old thing. So you need to change something, and you have to find, everybody will have a different change that they need to make to get what they want. So that's exactly what the Ace of Swords is going to do for you. You need to find out, go within, try to find out the reason, the cause, the why the delay is happening. You need to find out the reason why, because that is not external. It's something internal. It's something which is stopping you from having that what you desire. So you need to go within, find out what the delay is. It's not about the other person. It's all about you, because you are the one who is mirroring your reality is what you are from within. So it's the reality is the mirroring of what you are from within. So if there is the delay, there must have been something in your heart or in your subconscious mind for some of you, which is, you know, causing the delay. So you need to get clear about it. Try to work on that thing. It's more like, you know, working towards your own spiritual try to get aligned with your true self. And once you do that, once you are aligned with your true self, you will be able to heal yourself. And once you are healed from the past hurt, there is no stopping you. Trust me, the Pisceans they can really conquer the whole world if they want. They can have anybody in their life they want or they desire. All they need to do is to understand the potential that you have. Start valuing yourself, because I know that many Pisceans are out there who love the other person in their life more than they love themselves. So that's exactly where the situation kind of, you know, starts going out of their control. And it's like, you know, you give your you know, your control to the other person. It's like you start living the life that it's more like, you know, giving your own power to the other person. So you don't need to do that. True love doesn't have to be that way. You need to understand that, you know, if you love somebody, you don't have to give your power to that person. You can still be you and have your power, and you can still love them completely and deeply and madly and like crazy. So don't just know your worth first, because if you know your worth, if you know your value, trust me, the other person will also value you and they will come back to you. But if you feel lack of them, they could sense it coming from you, because the universe is, you know, one whole thing together. And it's like your energies are, you know, your thoughts, your energies are continuously transmitting the, you know, waves. If you are thinking of them like, you know, they don't love me, they don't want me, or you are feeling bad about yourself, you know, with a very low self-esteem, then they could sense it coming from you. You can even try it, you know, you can try you know, this with the people around you. You know, if you are thinking, you know, if you wake up in the morning and you are, you look up yourself in the mirror and you talk good about yourself, and you tell yourself that I'm looking beautiful, I'm looking hot, I'm looking sexy, I'm looking handsome, or whatever. When you go out in the public, you will feel that the people will be getting the same vibe from you. Why? Because that's what is within you, which is reflecting in the people around you. So be mindful of that and try to know what is holding you back here. Is it your fear? Is it your doubt? Is it your low self-esteem? Is it the same old wounds that you have from your past, which is stopping you from getting where you should be in your life, what you desire to be doing in your life? You need to use affirmations for that. You need to use self-hypnosis for that. You might need to listen to positive songs, watch positive movies. Don't stop watching negative things in your life, because that's how you feed your mind with negativity. It's start being around with the people who are happily coupled, who are happily married, who are happy with their girlfriend or boyfriend, because that will attract more of that kind of a thing in your life as well. You will feel positive about love and relationships. You will feel positive about yourself as well. So do things that make you feel happy, because that's where where you will start feeling good about yourself. And once you feel that from the core of your being, trust me, you will have your ex back. You will have communication coming from them, if and only if you could understand and do what I'm asking you to do. Because many people, they reach out to me, and when I do their reading, I tell them this is what you need to do, and if you do this, you will get what you want. And if you don't do it, you cannot blame me that this never happened, because I'm telling you a diet plan. If you don't follow the diet plan, then complain me that it never came true. I never lost weight. I told you the diet plan. That is not it. You need to follow the diet plan to get what you want. So if you are not following all these steps, it's not about, I'm telling you, so that's why you have to follow these steps. Try it, and you will feel the change coming in yourself, and you will feel that people will see the change in you. And that's when the whole thing will change up for you in your love life as well. Because I know many Pisceans are struggling with their love life rather than their, work and career sphere. It's a whole different thing when it comes to their finances and career. But when it comes to their love life, because of the sensitive being they do struggle with it a lot. The delays, the mishaps, the broken relationships, the exes, the new partner that they are waiting for, nothing is working out in their love life. I know that has been the scene from quite some time now. For those of you who have been able to work on themselves, they were able to find the right partner for themselves, be that their ex coming back, be that they have somebody new in their life. So you need to do that change in you to get what you want. So let's get into the next card. What is the play card has to say? Ta-da! King of Hearts is coming your way, and Jack of Clubs. Once you have that, like I said, it's more like this summarizes the whole thing. Once you have that clarity that what you need to work on, and you work on it and you heal from that, ta-da, the King of Cups, the person that you desire will come your way. And but having said that, I do pick up that energy with the Jack of Clubs here. It's more like you need to be very playful about it, about this relationship, about this person. If you because like I said, the Pisceans are very much sensitive when it comes to being in a relationship. They have lots of love to give, right? So what can happen here is, even if this person comes in your life to offer you love, if you get back together with this person, it could be new person for some of you who are not willing to get their ex back, because it is with the King of Hearts, it's more like what you desire is going to be yours. So for those of you who want your ex to be back, it could be that. If you want a new person, it could be that. Excuse me. So yeah, what I was saying here is with the Jack of clubs here, you need to be very sure that you don't repeat the same old stupid mistakes that you have been making in the past. Don't give your power to this person. Don't overwhelm them with your love, because they might not be ready to have it coming from you again the way you might have been giving it to them. Like I said in the very beginning, you need to try something new to get what you want, because you have been doing the same old you thing and that got you nothing but hurt, because the person that you got in the past being in a low self-esteem was, or that person couldn't even take your love because that was too much for them to to take from you. So it's like you need to be very sure that you keep it very light-heartedly and you don't just overfeed this person that you are going to have in your life with this King of Hearts. This person is definitely coming your way, but before he would, this is the inner work that you need to do. And don't kind of bombard this person with your text messages, with your lovey-dovey stuff. Just take things slowly, because how would you like it if this person is doing what you always have been doing in your life with your lover? How about you receiving all the love, mad craziness coming from your lover towards you, the way you always have been giving to your ex or to your current partner? If you are willing to receive the same amount of love, madness coming from them, you need to change how you treat them. And you need to treat yourself the way you treat them. So I hope you get my point. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the Pisces for the second half of the month. And I hope this reading would help many Pisces to find the actual cause of the delay. It's not coming from the external sources, it's coming from within. So be mindful of that, work on that. And for those of you who just try to find out what is it that is holding you back from getting what you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're willing to get a personal reading in this particular situation, you can reach out to me for that. Yeah, I wish you all the best, and I hope things work out for you in the month of Feb. It's all, the whole delay would be gone once you have found the reason behind the whole delay, which is, like I said, it's something internal. You need to work on it or work on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the Pisces for the second half of the month. And yeah, if the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe and share. And if you're willing to get a personal reading, reach out to me for that. Till I do the next reading for the Pisces, take care. Bye bye.